Well, here I am out in my garage. I just finished painting the front of this Atwater Kent cabinet here. Let's see if my well, that came out okay. Now let's see if we can get the rest of this off. I had to cover these knobs because the others I could take off, but I could not get these others off at all. So I said, well, I couldn't even find a screw on them. So, well, I just go ahead and just cover around them. It looks like it worked okay, at least in that one. Now, let's see. This is the one that has the double knobs on it. Let's see. The paint I got, it comes pretty close, but it's not dark enough, but it's all right. It's better than the mess I had before going on there. There. All right, now the knobs, the other ones I'll have to put on, I got those in the other room. But, all in all, it looked like it came out pretty good. I mean, you can still see it kind of like the outline of where the other knobs are. I mean, that's how long they were digging into the front panel. But it looks like it'll work out pretty good. Now the other main problem is the cable itself is the main problem. You got all this, but I think the main problem is going to be right in there. See all that? I mean, there's cloth covered wire in there, but I noticed there's a couple of spots like right there where it's down to bare wire. So I'm going to have to go ahead and tape those up and make sure that I still have continuity in the line yet. So anyway, we're moving right along here. Alright, here we are back at the old workbench here, and we are going to put, when we get the screws back in, we're going to go ahead and put these knobs back in here. And let's see what we can do here. Alright, the 0 got a little mark up there at the top. Let's see what we can do here. Start it. Start the knob a little bit first, since this fell completely out. Okay. And then we've got a mark up here. And it's right there. Push it back in there. And we'll just tighten it up. Let's see. There it is, all the way. Yep. Okay, so there's that. And they give you these reference points right here. So, let's see. Try this one. Do the same thing. right through. It didn't want to go in. So I'll have to back it out some more. Okay. What is in there really? I mean, I'll have to clean that up, I think. Probably the paint on it probably messed it up. So, let's see if we get this last one on there. We have to clean paint off the shaft. So we'll see if that's the case here too. Probably is. Let's see. Okay, that one went in all the way. I'm gonna have to just work it back and forth. All right, that's tight. Let's see about this one. Because before what happened was they had the dials pushed really too close to the panel, and it was actually scuffing the paint on this. So let me try this again. Pull it out, and we'll rock it back and forth. See if that's it. No, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Well, anyway, here's what we have. The old Atwater Kent. I'm just going to clean the other one up. Now I get the shaft to clean up with some alcohol, and that'll be it. But yeah, so that's what it'll look like on that front panel. So there we are. It's kind of back together. We'll go ahead and we'll have to work on the wiring and all that. And on top of that, the other problem with this thing is the wiring is really not marked anywhere, so I really can't tell what the voltages are. I know what they should be, so somehow I'm going to have to figure out how to trace back the wiring and find out where the right voltages go, and that'll be it. So that's it for now. We'll talk to you guys later.